2015, the popular Hollywood couple Charlize Theron and Sean Penn. They were deeply in love, even talking about marriage. But suddenly one day, Charlize stopped receiving all of Sean's messages and calls. She vanished without any explanation. In modern psychology, this is called ghosting, suddenly disappearing from someone's life without a reason or explanation. It is scarier than a breakup. A breakup has an ending, but ghosting leaves only emptiness and questions. You send a message and wait for hours, but no reply comes from the other side. Ghosting isn't just in romantic relationships, it can happen with friends or at work too. The question is, why do people ghost? The main reason is the fear of confrontation. They think leaving silently is much easier and more comfortable than explaining why the relationship is ending. This is actually the biggest proof of their emotional immaturity. In the era of dating apps, people have many options. Rejecting someone is now just a click away. Those who ghost value their temporary comfort over someone else's feelings. But what happens to the person who is the victim of ghosting? Psychology says sudden social rejection causes the same amount of pain in the brain as a physical injury. You get confused. You think, what was my mistake? Did I deserve this? Let's see psychologically why your brain cannot easily accept this ghosting. The human brain always seeks completion or closure for any incomplete task. This is called the Zeigarnik Effect. Without knowing the real reason for ghosting, your brain gets stuck in an endless loop. You repeatedly read old messages and think everything was fine, so what happened suddenly? This confusion completely crushes your self-confidence and self-esteem. You start blaming yourself and become afraid to trust anyone else in the future. You start spying on their social media, just hoping for a small answer. This pushes you towards depression, anxiety, and extreme loneliness. But what is the way out of this mental trauma? First, you must understand that you are not the reason for the ghosting. It is proof of that person's lack of personality and cowardice, not yours. The person who couldn't even give you the respect of saying goodbye is not worthy of your love. Remember a famous psychological saying, no response is a response. Meaning, giving no answer is their clearest answer. They no longer want to be in your life. Stop messaging them or checking their social media today. Do not depend on them for closure. You have to create your own closure. Convince yourself that not all stories have a beautiful ending, and that is reality. Don't hide your pain. Talk to a trusted friend or family member. Let the feelings buried inside you come out. There is no harm in crying. Focus on yourself. Keep yourself busy with a new hobby or work. The one who left was just a bad chapter in your life, not the whole book. Your worth does not depend on someone not replying. This experience teaches you who is right for your life and who is not. Before entering a new relationship later, be aware of your boundaries. Put your self-esteem above everything else. There is no point in wasting time on someone who didn't understand your value. Forgive them, not for them, but for your own mental peace. Your life is very beautiful. Don't distrust the whole world because of one wrong person. The right person will surely come into your life, someone who will never leave you in the dark. You are not alone. Almost everyone goes through this experience at some point in life. Start your new chapter from today. Did you have someone in your life who suddenly disappeared without a reason? How did you handle yourself then? Let us know in the comments. And if you pledge to forget that past and move forward today, type "I create my own closure." If you found this video informative, please subscribe and share it with a friend who is still waiting for a reply. Prioritize your mental health above all. Stay healthy and stay with BrainVas. Thank you.